Hi guys, this is sad moment for me. Actually, I was seated like this and talking to my sister, and this happened with my MacBook Air M1. Actually, my MacBook Air screen is gone. You can see there. So I just quickly Google on MacBook Air M1 screen replacement. So here you can see there are lots of options are there. So someone provide LCD screen, someone provide display. So I just quickly check one by one website. Firstly, I check the Amazon. There is an option of replacement of display. Actually, this is different from LCD screen, and also Mac Factory. I check this provide in around. It provide basically LCD screen, not display. And another one is Abest website. This provide in 20,000 LCD display, that is complete set or pack, you can say, in 20,000. And this is a good option, but this has only the space gray. So I just quickly WhatsApp him and text here, you can see there. And the name is Azad Electronics. Actually, this take time to deliver. So I just check alternative option. For that, you need HDMI to HDMI and this USB hub. And this is a video card reader from PiBox. I just connect all of them and on the C type on MacBook side, and other one the USB A type on my Windows laptop side. So I just need here the Prism Live Studio or any OBS Studio you can also use. So I just here add the scene and name it Mac screen, and also the source here just use the video card capture device and just hit OK. And here I just name it my MacBook screen capture, and here in drop down menu you just choose USB 3 video for that and just OK. And now you can see there the MacBook screen, and for the audio capture audio only, and here use the custom, and same here digital audio interface USB 3 you can choose. Okay, and just maximize it by transform and fit to screen, and just click on the arrow button you can see there and just make it full screen. For that, right click and just choose the display. You can see there my MacBook is cast on my Windows laptop. It's work smoothly. I can work anything and like play videos. You can see there no any issue, and I can control from there MacBook Air, and you can see there I can easily control. But sometimes it is jitter option is there. Actually, it jitters or lag sometimes due to video card reader option. But I can do easily everything. I can see this is an alternative option first, but it costs around maybe around 4,000, but sometimes it's heavy to carry and it's not portable option for that. I just check the second alternative option for extended portable monitor. This is more convenience and portable. So I just check in Google portable monitor, and there is lots of options are there for portable monitor. So I just check one by one. First LG 16, this is around 40 centimeters, and the second one is Jabronic, and third one is MSI. And another ViewSonic also provide the monitor of portable. But lastly, I just see the Arzopa 16.1 144 Hz. I just take this because it support all the screen. You can see there, and it has a better option. And so I just ordered, and my shipment is delivered. You can see the unboxing video here, and you can see this is my Arzopa monitor, portable monitor of 16.1 and 144 Hz refresh rate. You can play game also in this monitor. It's best, and 106 sRGB percentage. So I just quickly put on this MacBook like this, and you can work easily. Yeah, no any problem with that. You can do work anything and just web search or whatever you want. And you can carry also. It's easy to carry. This monitor is easy to carry and very lightweighted. You can see there I am working here perfectly, but their display quality is not that good like Liquid Retina. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.